Hello folks, this is a quick tutorial how to fix the well pumps. So right now pump is working and I'm pumping water from the well into this huge pool, and I'll show you what usually each problem is. So after the winter the pump was shut down and the customers try to turn this on and it's not working. So right here you got a relay, so we got a couple contacts over here that we clean it and put lubrication on. Everything is open and I can explode it to the vision, to the weather. Those two contacts has really bad connection, so we clean it, lubricate it with the electric grease and close it, and pump start working. Save the customers approximately $2,000 on repair the pump, since he's already had a couple beats. Is the customer happy?
Very happy, extremely delighted.
Yeah, the happy customer is same as like a, yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to drop in comment.